Alibaba just dropped a bomb. Qwen3 is not too bad. They say it performs on par with DeepSeek V3, but with a third of the parameters. And it's comparable to Gemini 2.5 Pro. That is the best state-of-the-art model we have. And it's available in a lot of sizes. There is 235B all the way to 0.5B. I'm gonna test now the 235B that have only 22 billion parameters active. Create a dot-to-dot puzzle game of a penguin in a self-contained HTML file. Let's see. This is the result. This doesn't look like a penguin for me. Let's see. Okay. Connecting the dots here. Okay. This does not look like a penguin at all. What the hell is this? Okay, so that is a fail. Make a 3D penguin simulation in a self-contained HTML file. It should have mountains and a ground where the penguins get together when it's too cold. Give me a slider for the climate temperature. Use 3JS. Let's see how it does. This is the code. Okay, the penguins look more like ducks, but it works. Adjusting the temperature here, they get together because it's too cold. It works. So that is a pass. Make me a dashboard in a self-contained HTML file to track my finances. It must have an income field and an expenses field with the date selection, a pie chart and a line chart to see my net growth over time. Give me the ability to save in a JSON file. Okay, this is the code here. Okay, very simple. Very simple. Let's try adding some income. Let's do a title here. Let's select first day of the month. Let's see. It's working. Let's add a little more. Okay, it's working. The only problem is that I cannot see the full net growth number. I don't see any number. But if I hover the mouse over the graph, I can see. So it's 200 now, right? So very simple, but that is a pass. Create a simple calculator app using Python and PyQt. Give me a single Python file. Okay, this is the calculator app. This is the code. Okay, this is the calculator. Let's try 2 plus 2 equal 4. Okay, it's working. Let's do 50 plus 50. Okay, it's correct. Times 10. Okay, it's working. So that is a pass. Create a editing app using Python and PyQt. It should have a white balance color picker, hue and saturation sliders, adjustment curves, layers with blending modes, text, and brush. Give me a single Python file. This is the prompt. This is the code. Okay, this is the photo editor. Doesn't look bad, but I can see it already does not have the adjustment curves. It gave me these sliders I can use, but that is not a adjustment curve. I cannot do with this what I can do with a regular adjustment curve. So that is a fail already. But let's try to use it. Let's see. I can't drag and drop a file here, so I have to open. Okay, this is my profile picture. I cannot drag, but I can roll, I guess. Let's see. The white balance has a pick color, but I don't see a color picker appeared. So let's see. This should be white. I clicked, nothing happened. Okay, let's see. Adjusting some saturation. Let's see. Nothing happened. Let's change the hue. No, nothing happened. Let's change the red curve here. Okay, it froze. It's frozen. I can't do anything else. Okay, so now it moved. So apparently the hue and saturation doesn't work. The adjustment curves does work, but it's really slow. Let's see the layers. I don't see any layers. Let's see the text brush. The blending modes didn't work. Let's see the text. Let's add text. Okay, the text worked. So it failed. There are two penguins in front of a penguin, two penguins behind a penguin, and a penguin in the middle. How many penguins are there? The answer should be 3. This is the prompt, and this is the answer. And it's correct. 3. So that is a pass. Translate this text into English for me. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Yeah, that's correct. So that is a pass. Now let's do a little bit more difficult translation. This is in Portuguese and it has some colloquial expressions. Let's see how it does. And this is the translation. It's good, a little bit generic, but that is a pass. Write me a story of a cyborg penguin trying to conquer the world. This is the prompt and this is the answer. You can see I won't read all of it because that will be insane. So here it is. You can pause and read it. Okay, not too bad. For most LLMs, this will probably be passed. This one should be a little bit harder because this is a impersonation test. Usually LLMs are not good at it. Okay, this is the prompt. You can pause and read it. The problem is that it uses too many emojis and that's not good. But it's kind of funny. It's actually kind of funny. Oh, okay, phew. Okay, let's see. Charm is free, but the commentary comes at premium. It's kind of funny. Weird, still a little bit robotic, but I can definitely imagine a weirdo saying things like this. Incredibly enough, this will be a pass. Usually LLMs are not good at it, but that was kind of funny, made me laugh, so that should be a pass. So the Qwen3 235B model with 22 billion active parameters with thinking is surprisingly good, actually. It got a 8 out of 10. The Gemini 2.5 Pro only got 7 out of 10. So the Chinese company Alibaba has been doing some kung fu lately.